Yundina Nuba Dugebe, Zaraki Pizu Lepa. So you know, Ranso Lotanwe, Nimo Chetenki Yin. Kuram Nishu Sajing Nala, Milu Rinche, Mela Pivani, Timisoya Chugi, Dungete, Zamli Mimala, Joa Mi Topna, Danyam Mebe, Tazam Yin. Shasa Ninja Yuna, Nyamchu, Pimila Sirona, Tenzengaba, Maransu, Pame Chu, Rigbe Shunglota, Kei Sola, Rawangu, Zamli Mima, Topna Danyamgu, Zamli Mima, Manzu Gab de Lansho, Pegi Dapo, Pimi, Pegalo, Tao Jambe Ishi Nesa. Any Tunzinga Tara, any Inji Tola, any Manzuki, Fumelenzuki, any Chungin, Jalosh Nangre.
The Pau Jambe Ishi like Kajam, the engine the Logi, wishes of the latest self-immolator, Jambe Ishila. May His Holiness the Dalai Lama, the champion of world peace, live for the tens of thousands of years. He must be invited to Tibet. I firmly believe and pray that Tibetan brothers and sisters would gather together in front of the Potala Palace and sing the Tibetan national anthem thunderously. My fellow Tibetans, if you care about your happiness and future, you must have the spirit of patriotism. Patriotism is the soul of a nation. Moreover, it is the confidence in search of truth and also the harbinger of a happy future. My fellow Tibetans, if we aspire to peace and happiness in par with other people around the world, we should hold dear to our heart the word patriotism. You should make effort in all deliberations, big or small. In general, patriotism is the insight and distinguishes truth from all falsehood. Freedom is the foundation of peace and happiness of all living beings. Life without freedom is like a lamp amidst wind. This is our direction. We know it clearly that if the 6 million fellow Tibetans of the 3 provinces of Tibet consolidated our energy, effort, we will achieve our goal. I beg you, never give up. What I express here is the issue of 6 million Tibetans. I reckon that we need in our struggle for our people are. If you have money and wealth, it is high time to spend on it. If you have knowledge, it is a critical time to bring them together. And if you have a life, this is a day to sacrifice it, offering the precious human body to the fire in the 21st century. It is a sheer signal of the 6 million Tibetans telling the people of the world that Tibetans have no human rights and equality. People around the world, if you have concern, compassion, please pay heed to the plea of poor Tibetans. We want freedom to practice our religious tradition, our traditional fields of learning, and the Tibetan language. We want equal rights enjoyed by the people around the world, people of the world. Please stand up for Tibet. Tibet belongs to Tibetans. Retreat to Tibet. Tao Jambel Yishi, 16 March 2012. Thank you.